I've never seen so many birds in my life. At the Cathedral of Barcelona, and it's kind of insane because they let you walk on the roof. Really pretty. You can see the whole views of the mountains and the ocean, and it's really cool. 10 out of 10, recommend. Also, you can see La Sagrada Familia, which we were at yesterday, so that's kind of cool. I'm in a church, but I can't talk loud because I have to whisper. Because it's a church. There's Jesus. There's a garden too. How freaking pretty. This is the coolest church we've been to by far. What the fuck? Now walking to the market to check it out. I think it's like the oldest market or something. I don't remember, but it looks cool. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? I got a spinach empanada. Hot, but yummy. Oh, that's so good. Just stopped to get sangria at the market still, and then I'm gonna walk around the Gothic district and just wander. So no plan. It's almost 5 o'clock now, and I don't really know what to do, so we're gonna walk back to the hotel and check out the rooftop bar because we have not done that yet. Get some pre-dinner drinks. Ignore everything I last said. It's 6:30 now. We did not get any more drinks, but leaving now to go to Dr. Stravinsky, which is like a really cool cocktail bar. And I had a really long time figuring out my outfit, but this is the fit. And then dinner. So I'll see you there. Ended up getting 3 drinks at the first place. Never went to a different bar. And now we're at dinner.